Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to understand about the new model which is a trajectory crafter. So this is going to add life in your videos. So for example, you have created a video using a camera and you want to add the different angles into the video, then you can use this library. For example, see this monkey. This is the video of monkey. It has, and it can be transformed like this. There is another video pouring the tea into the glass. So this video is taken from one angle, and now you can change the camera angle using this model, and it will look like this. Now this is another video which is taken from one angle. Now you can use this, change the camera angle, so it becomes like this. So this model is going to be so this model can be used to transform the video by changing the camera angles like this. And it requires a GPU with 24 or more video RAM, VRAM. Need to clone this repo. The You can clone like this. So we are into this directory, trajectory crafter. Next, we need to create the environment. TrajectoryCrafter can generate high-fidelity novel views from the casually captured monocular video, while also supporting highly precise pose control. And these are the examples. Now we need to activate this environment, and finally pip install this, pip install -r requirements.txt, and this is going to install the requirements in our Python environment. You can also download these models, and then finally we can run the interface using the sh run.sh, or if you are running it through Gradio, or you can use Python Gradio app.py. So this is the URL to check the trajectory crafter online, and these are the different samples here. And then we can click on the generate video. So oops, this is not available. So we need to create the pro account to use this. But if you have a GPU with 24 GB or more RAM, you can install it and run it in your computer, and you can try with your video and different prompts, different options. After running the Python Gradio app, you should open a interface like this, and here you will be able to upload your image and then generate the video based on the different criteria, and you should be able to get the videos generated like this. So this is a very good model, and it can be used to add camera angle into the videos. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.